evolution of its developer tools with two major announcements: a multi-model upgrade to Copilot and the introduction of Spark, a natural language web development platform. The code hosting giant is expanding Copilot beyond its OpenAI-only architecture to include Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro models, while simultaneously launching GitHub Spark to simplify web application development through natural language instructions. The expansion includes additional integration news as Copilot arrives on Apple's Xcode in public preview. Since Copilot's initial release, this three-pronged update represents GitHub's most ambitious AI toolkit expansion. Enhanced model support for Copilot GitHub. Copilot has long leveraged different large language models, LLMs, for various use cases. The first public version of Copilot was launched using Codex, an early version of OpenAI GPT-3, specifically fine-tuned for coding tasks. Copilot Chat was launched in 2023 with GPT 3.5 and later GPT 4. Since then, we have updated the base model versions multiple times, using a range from GPT 3.5 Turbo to GPT 4, EO, and 4 O mini models for different latency and quality requirements. Thomas Domke, GitHub's CEO, said in a blog write-up. GitHub's decision to extend Copilot's model support beyond OpenAI's technology represents a notable evolution in its AI-assisted development strategy. The integration now includes models from industry leaders Anthropic and Google, alongside OpenAI, providing developers access to a broader range of AI capabilities. The multi-model approach suggests GitHub's commitment to offering developers more choice and flexibility in their AI-assisted coding journey. We are bringing developer choice to GitHub Copilot with Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro, and OpenAI's O1 Preview and O1 Mini. These new models will be rolling out, first in Copilot Chat, with OpenAI O1 Preview and O1 Mini available now, Claude 3.5 Sonnet rolling out progressively over the next week, and Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro in the coming weeks. From Copilot Workspace to multi-file editing, to code review, security autofix, and the CLI, we will bring multi-model choices across many of GitHub Copilot's surface areas and functions soon, the CEO said. GitHub's expansion of model support is particularly significant, as it allows developers to leverage different AI models' strengths for various coding tasks. Each AI provider brings its own capabilities and specializations, which could lead to more accurate and context-aware code suggestions across different programming languages and frameworks. GitHub Spark, natural language web development. However, the company's most intriguing announcement is the introduction of GitHub Spark, a new tool designed to revolutionize web application development and achieve GitHub's vision of reaching 1 billion developers. Spark enables developers to build web applications using natural language instructions, potentially reducing the complexity and time required for web development projects. This natural language approach to web development could particularly benefit developers looking to rapidly prototype applications, teams seeking to bridge the gap between design concepts and implementation, organizations aiming to accelerate their web development lifecycle. Copilot arrives on Apple's Xcode. The recent release of Copilot for Apple's Xcode in public preview form represents another milestone in GitHub's expansion strategy. The integration brings AI-powered coding assistance to Apple's integrated development environment, offering several advantages for iOS and macOS developers. Real-time code suggestions within the Xcode environment, improved productivity for Swift and Objective-C development, integration with existing Xcode workflows, impact on developer productivity. These developments in GitHub's AI toolkit reflect a broader industry trend towards more intelligent and automated development tools. The combination of expanded model support, natural language web development, and Xcode integration suggest a comprehensive approach to enhancing developer productivity across different platforms and development scenarios. For development teams, the updates could mean reduced time spent on boilerplate code, more efficient problem-solving through AI-assisted development, greater flexibility in choosing AI models that best suit specific project needs. Perhaps, as these tools become available to more developers, we may see shifts in how teams approach software development. Increased adoption of AI-assisted coding practices, evolution of development workflows to incorporate natural language instructions, greater emphasis on high-level problem-solving rather than implementation details. Advancements in GitHub's AI capabilities mark a step forward in the evolution of development tools. While maintaining the fundamental aspects of software development,